Okay, now we are going to set up the virtual compor. So let's open this tool and then click on Add. You have to select an unused compor. So if you're not sure, please check in the Windows device manager. If you are already some installed compor, be sure not to select here an existing compor. And you also have to select this value on here. Let everything else with a default selection and then click on Add. Okay, you can then click on Apply. It's okay, the virtual compor is now created. So you can leave this tool. You have already to do this one time. Now the virtual compor is created. You don't have to do it again, even if you restart the PC.